How to claim daily credit on Temu. This tutorial will guide you through the process of claiming daily credit on Temu, a platform that allows users to earn credits for future purchases. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your credit balance and make the most out of your Temu experience. Open the Temu app on your mobile device or visit the Temu website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, locate the main menu or dashboard. Look for the section labeled Daily Credit or similar. This is usually found in the Promotions or Rewards area of the platform. Click on the option to claim your daily credit. Follow any prompts that may appear to confirm your claim. This might include tapping a button or completing a simple task like a survey or a quick game. After claiming your credit, return to your account dashboard. Verify that your credit balance has been updated to reflect the newly claimed amount. To maximize your credits, set a daily reminder on your phone or calendar. Aim to log in at the same time each day to ensure you don't miss out on claiming your daily credit. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any bugs while claiming credits. If you encounter any issues, check Temu's help or fax sections for troubleshooting advice. By following these steps, you can effectively claim daily credits on Temu, boosting your credit balance for future purchases. Remember to set daily reminders and stay updated with any app changes to maximize your benefits. Happy shopping!